So as you can see, the power's on, and I'll go ahead and turn on both the heat and the cool. And you can see right here, turn it on. Nothing happens, it's not on at all. So I tried resetting it, wouldn't happen. You know, everything's of course plugged in, as you can see from the power here, and it still doesn't work. And I can also smell Freon leaking. So yeah, it has a gross, it's kind of a sweet musty smell, and it's Freon, I think, coming from this unit.
Okay, listen to this. We've moved it, we've tried to brace it, and the hot water's not even on. Worse when the hot water comes on. So upset. Too much of a pain to send back, not sure what to do.